Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can run a Google security check by yourself on your Google account. Now, what reasons you may want to be doing this, you may ask? Main reasons are if you're suspicious that someone's logged into your account or your account is at high risk of being breached, you can run a security test. Alongside this, the same place which we run the security test shows all recent activities. To begin, we're going to open up our Google Chrome browser. Choose the account under which we want to do so. From there, we want to go to Gmail, open up Gmail. From there, once it's loaded up, we should be greeted with all our emails. You can first check if there are any suspicious emails that you've logged into something or changed your password. If there is none, next up, we're going to go to our top right. You can go right here, press on Manage Your Google Accounts. And from here, there are multiple tabs. We want to go to the Security tab. From here, you have security recommendations, so you can press on Protect Your Account, but that's not what we're here for. You simply want to go to Recent Security Activity, press on it, and here you can get your security checkup. So Airtable was given access, MailTrack, all of these were by me, and I know they're right. So I know that my account is not in any breach or any sort of danger. However, if yours you do feel like is in danger or something that you haven't done is unfamiliar, you can go right up here, press on See Unfamiliar Activity, and if there's any recent activity you don't recognize, someone else might have your password. Change your password. You'll be signed out on all devices except the one you're using. You press on Change Password, and you can change your password, and you're all good to go. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.